Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Okay, so all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong being updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, syempre, if you're interested na magpa-private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so ito po yung kanyang FB page. So, yeah, don't forget to follow na lang din po, no? And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay, and yeah, again. Oo. Don't forget to follow. Okay, thank you. And yeah, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. So dalawa po ang ating bracelet ha. Pagdating sa evil eye. Okay, so ito yung isa. Okay, so ito yung garterize. Okay, ito yung adjustable. Okay, available in red and black strings po ha. So next is yung ating yung ring. Ayan, si ating ring and yung ating necklace. So, ito naman yung necklace natin. Okay? So, ring and necklace. So, madalas, ito yung pinupurchase, no? Oo, para daw magka-partner. Para daw kasing magkapareho ito and itong ating pendant. Anyway, so pareho silang non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Ito po ay adjustable and ganun rin ang ating necklace ha, na-adjust yung kanyang length, okay, doon sa kanyang chain. Pero you can use other chains if you want. Okay? So, yes. And ang ating love bracelet. Okay, so ito siya. Okay, so for singles and sa may mga conflict, may mga issue ha, pagdating sa mga karelasyon, pwede sa mga may separation. Yes. Okay, and yeah, this is made to order. Kung marami pa kayong tanong, just message na lang po ha, pagdating dito sa ating love bracelet and ditong ating granter. So si granter same as love bracelet, this is made to order po ha, this is unisex. Okay, ang ating granter necklace is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yung kanyang chain is 20 inches long. Okay, so kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po kayo ha sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so ganun lang. So ating itabi na. Pinakita ko lang sa mga bago dyan. Okay? Okay, so abang-abang na lang din doon sa ating new item pagdating sa cleansing. Okay? So, there. So, yeah. Okay, let's start the reading. Air signs. Okay, air signs muna. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, anong kailangan mong marinig? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Energy check-ins, gabay, prediction. Okay, air signs. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you may mga magbabayad. Okay, may mga mababayaran. The Hierophant in reverse. I'm seeing this as an energy of back pay. Okay? This is back pay. Yung may mga umalis sa work. Okay? Yes. Ayan ang mga nakikita ko mababayaran. Some of you, kung may mga sabihin nating parang wino-work out ng mga legalizations, yan. Isa pa yan, okay? Some of you, this is like, energy rin ng child custody or something like child support, mga ganyan. Okay? So, something about finance. Okay? Na pwedeng maibibigay sa'yo or pwedeng ma-approve like that. Okay? So, what else? For air signs, meron ditong gusto makipagayos. Ano tong Hierophant in reversed? The Eight of Pentacles. Kung sino man itong hindi ginawa yung dapat gawin pagdating sa iyo, like responsibilities, yun ang gusto makipagayos. Pwedeng Earth sign and Taurus. Okay. So what else for air signs? Strength in reversed. Okay. So, kumusta ba ang mga pakiramdam nyo? Oo. Kumusta? What's with this strength in reversed? The star. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Yung may mga may mga karamdaman sa ngayon. Nakakuha ko dito ng healing. Okay? This is healing. Yeah. Makakaalis, sabihin natin kung may mga sakit. Okay? Makakaalis na sa mga nararamdaman. Okay? Parang ganyan. Pero syempre, this is medical issues, no? So, kung kailangan nyo magpa-check sa doctor, gawin. Okay? So, some of you pwedeng meron ditong Leo na parang nag-heal na from you or an Aquarius. Okay, the 5 of Cups in reversed. Some of you meron kayong hindi na kailangang ipilit. Okay? I don't know kung ano to. You need to let this go. Okay, kung ano man to, you have to let this go. Something na hindi nyo na kailangang ilaban. Okay? Some of you have to move on from this. Okay? Hang on. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. So, yeah, what's with this 5 of Cups in reversed? 5 of Cups in reversed. The Knight of Swords. Yeah, meron na kayong kailangang alisan or alisin. Aksyonan. Okay? Meron dito akong nakukuha ang energy na pwedeng naghihintay ng tamang opportunity para makipag-usap sa'yo. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng Sagittarius. Okay? Some of you, nakukuha ko, iba sa inyo hindi na ganoon na nagiging, sabihin natin, pagdating sa religion, ha? Okay? Parang ang tawag dyan, nagiging mahina na yung faith nyo. Okay? Meron ng ganon. Some of you, ikaw itong parang hindi na naniniwala sa mga pinagdarasal mo. Don't. Okay? Don't. Something like, kung hindi pa ibinibigay yung pinagdarasal mo, yung minamanifest mo, I think, this is not the right timing. Okay? Kaya ganon. Okay? So, don't stress. Okay? Just go with the flow. Yeah. Okay? Huwag ka mawawala ng faith. Okay? Kung ano man ang religion mo. Okay? In general. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Okay. Yun ang aking nakikita for you, air signs. Next. So, this is, energy check-in lang. Okay? Next is fire signs. Okay, dito muna. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Ano ang kailangan nyong malaman? Marinig, energy check-ins, predictions, goodbye. And again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, fire signs. Okay, the 6 of Cups in reversed. What's that? Ooh. The 7 of Cups in reverse. This is an energy from a past person, a water sign to be exact. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is bitter dahil hindi sila makakuha ng new or kapalit. Okay? Or maybe hindi pa rin sila makamove on. Kaya sila nagiging bitter. Okay? Yeah. They're finding someone na pwedeng katulad mo, ka-energy mo, pero hindi sila makakita. So, yeah, the grass wasn't greener on the other side, I think. Okay? So, nandoon yung naiinis sila sa sarili nila. Okay? Naiinis sila sa sarili nila kasi parang pinakawalan ka. Parang ganon. Yeah. They're bitter. Bakit ko ginawa yun? Bakit ko pinakawalan si fire sign like that? Okay? Yeah. Some of you, there's a past person who is blaming you. I don't know why. They're blaming you. Okay? What else for fire signs? Okay, the Knight of Swords. So, this is a fast communication. Back and forth, maybe. Back and forth communication. What's this? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Ano tong Wheel of Fortune in reversed? Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng conversation pero you're just going in circles, like paulit-ulit. Anong meron dito? Wheel of Fortune in reversed. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay, I'm seeing a scenario, okay, na pwedeng ang magiging topic is something na alam mo naman na. Pero bakit itinatanong pa? Parang ganun. Maybe gusto nyo lang marinig yung totoo or yung something na nakita nyo or nahuli nyo. Okay? Yeah. Gusto nyo lang ng katibayan maybe. Yeah. Uulitin nyo lang to. Kung hindi ka, sabihin natin kung hindi mo makuha yung gusto mong marinig, so anong mangyayari? Anong mangyayari? Magiging paulit-ulit lang kayo nito. Or para kayong mag-aaway lang kayo. Kung sino man to. Air sign. Okay? Meron ditong parang magkakamali sa gagawin nilang aksyon. Dahil sa pagmamadali, parang ganon. Okay? So, what else for fire signs? Some of you, mayroon ng mga maire-release. I don't know kung ano yun. Narinig ko yung word na release. Okay? The Three of Wands. This is expectations. Expectations. Waiting. Maybe you're waiting for something. I don't know. Ano to? The Moon. Ang nakukuha kong tanong dito, meron pa ba akong hinihintay? Kailangan ko pa bang maghintay? Meron pa ba? Parang ganyan. Kailangan ko pa ba? No. Okay? Let go. Kung ano man yan. Yeah, let go. This is specific. This is talking about a relationship na nag-end. If you're waiting for someone to come back, wala ka nang hinihintay. You're just wasting your time, if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Huwag ka na matakot, no, na umalis doon sa energy. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Work on something more productive. Okay? Focus on more productive. Yeah. Some of you, you're in a third-party connection with this person, I think. Okay? Yeah. Their person is not sincere. They're not sincere. Okay? Wala silang pipiliin kung yun ang hinihintay mo. Wala. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, next. Mayroon akong narinig na isa pa na message. Some of you, may parating na energy pagdating sa workplace. Okay? Na pwedeng may kasamang travel in the near future. I don't know kung ano yun. There's like, pwedeng may mangyaring meeting eventually. And then, pwedeng meron kayong pupuntahan somewhere else. Somewhere far. I don't know. That's prediction. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for water signs. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the King of Cups in reversed. Someone's not open emotionally. Okay. Oh. The Three of Swords. So, maybe some of you, hindi pa kayo ready, no? Na pumasok sa isang connection, I guess. Kasi, yung iba is totally traumatized pa or something like hindi pa healed. Okay? Yeah, you have to heal. Okay? Kailangan nyo i-workout yan. Yeah, someone is not invested emotionally because they're like, sabihin nating may third party. Okay, that is specific. Pwedeng water, pwedeng air, or maybe if you're the one who is not totally invested, alam mong may third party involved. Okay, so that is why. Yeah. Ilugar nyo ha, yung sarili nyo sa kung anumang role. Okay? Okay. 7 of Pentacles. Someone is, sabihin nating waiting. So, meron ditong energy na pwedeng naghihintay na may mag-end. Tsaka siya magiging open emotionally, I think. Okay? Ano tong 7 of Pentacles? Yeah, see, the Lovers. Tsaka magiging open pagdating sa connection. Pwedeng, meron ditong Earth sign, Gemini, na invested or sabihin natin nag-expect ng relationship with you. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, this is your friend. Friend of friend. Okay. Who is this? The Lovers. Who is this? Anong meron dito sa 7 of Pentacles? Okay, the 5 of Swords in reverse. This person is waiting, pero hindi sila nagpapaka-stress. Okay? Some of you, if you're focusing more on your career, finance, and not stressing over relationship, okay? Ang nakuha ko rito, ibibigay yung totoo, ibibigay sa'yo yung sino man yung talagang para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, see? The 8 of Swords in reverse. Ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Kasi you're not stressing eh. Okay? Pwedeng focus mo is something, sabihin nating outside, oo. Sa energy ng relation or connections. Okay. What else? Someone is waiting. Someone is sabihin nating invested. They want to have a connection or relationship with you, pero they're just like low-key. Low-key invested. Low-key waiting. Yeah. I don't know how. Okay. What else for water signs? Okay, the 10 of Wands. What's that? This is work. Okay. Effort. Putting effort. What's this? Oh, the Page of Cups. There's this someone na pwedeng mag-express ng emotions, feelings niya, intentions, dahil naging burden na. Okay? Sasabog na. Yeah, the Empress. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Some of you. Okay? Meron ditong mag-express ng emosyon. Malalaman nyo. Someone younger, I guess. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong age gap nitong taong to. Yeah, the High Priestess in reverse. Aamin, may magsasabi ng totoong emosyon. Kasi hindi na mapigil like that. Hindi na mapigil. Sasabog na. Kailangan ng sabihin, kailangan ng ibulgar. Parang ganyan. Ha? Okay? Sino tong Page of Cups para malaman natin specific? Who is this Page of Cups? Anong meron pa sa kanila? Sino man itong mag-express ng emosyon? Woo! Someone new, I guess. Someone new. I guess. Yeah. A new connection? Maybe. Or maybe you're the one na pwedeng mag-express ng emotion. Okay? Pero yeah, I'm feeling this, pwedeng new person. Water sign din like you. Or pwedeng ikaw. mayroong ipupursue. Some of you, may mga manliligaw, may mga liligawan in the near future. Okay? Yeah. Okay, anyway. Yeah. Some of you, kung mayroong nangyaring separation, eventually, makakuha ulit ng new connection. Okay? Lalo na kung ifo-focus mo yung attention mo sa stability mo, sa kaperahan mo. Okay? Hindi yung relationship. Okay? So, there. Next is Earth signs. Okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Energy check-ins, prediction. Okay, let's see. Goodbye. Okay. Siyempre, before tayo magbunot-bunot, no? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Earth signs. Okay, so what do you need to know? Okay. The Seven of Cups. Okay, so there is confusion. I don't know. Choosing. Okay, options. Being busy, I guess. What's with this Seven of Cups? The King of Wands in reversed. Okay. Some of you, there's this fire sign or Sagittarius ang magbibigay ng confusion sa'yo. Why? Ano tong King of Wands in reverse? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng maraming inaasikaso or marami lang aasikasuhin. Pagdating sa mga gusto, sa mga plano sa buhay, ano bang uunahin ko, mga ganon. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles. Be careful, ha? With this fire sign. Pwede kasing ikaw itong ikaw itong open for them, present for them, available for them, and then gagamitin nila yun. Okay? Gagamitin nila yung opportunity na yan. Okay? Yeah. Oh no. No. Avoid this person. I think you have to avoid them. Okay? Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. Aside sa confusion nung ibibigay, ano pang meron dito sa taong to? The Six of Wands in reversed. Nakakagulo to talaga, ha? Masyadong nakakagulo. Yeah. A lot of drama. Okay? Kung sino man tong kumukonect sa'yo at hindi mo malaman yung intention, emosyon, then yun. Okay? Avoid them. Yeah. What else for Earth signs? Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, the Page of Swords. You have a stalker. Okay, you have a stalker. What's with this Page of Swords? Ooh, the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong magkakaroon ng plano pagdating sa kaperahan mo in general. I don't know kung ano to. Okay, some of you, andyan yung pwedeng meron kang nakikita na pwedeng bibilhin. Diyan ka muna, bibilhin kita. Parang ganon. Okay? Like that. Some of you, may mga maririnig ka. Something like, pupuriin ka. Like that. Okay? Or maybe people will see you someone na pwedeng stable or something like, financially, diba? Oo, stable. I think, okay, what's with this Ace of Pentacles? Some of you, you will have this new connection coming in with a, a connection. Ang daming gustong kumonek sa'yo, Earth signs. Someone younger. Yeah. Ano to? Ang babata naman nito, Earth signs. I don't know kung kaedad nyo to or talagang mas bata lang sa inyo. Okay? You're getting a lot of attention. Some of you, ang daming gustong makipag-flirt sa'yo, Earth signs. Or kumonek. Yeah. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong may plano na magbukas ng business in the near future. And I think, yeah, i-open mo talaga yon. Susubukan mo yon. Okay? Ano to? Kaliwat kanan naman ang mga gustong kumausap sa'yo or kumonek. Di bale kung ito is mga business partners. Hindi eh. Oh, hindi ko nakikita ganyan. Okay. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Three of Swords. Oh my golly. Okay, anong meron dyan sa Three of Swords? What? Okay, the Eight of Wands in reversed. Something na magbibigay sa iyo ng pain, ng kung ano man, something na hindi maganda sa pakiramdam. Ikaw itong sabihin nating lalayo. Hindi mo kailangan kausapin tong mga to. Okay, the King of Swords in reversed. There's this lies, deception, maybe. Ano to? Some of you, ikaw itong magbablock. Okay, some of you, emotionally, you're block. Your heart chakra, or the emotion is blocked. Blocked. Okay, so there's, sabihin nating guard, or sabihin nating harang. Okay, so that is why if ever na kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng karelasyon, there's blockage here. Opo, may blockage. Kailangan nyong ialis yung blockage na yan. Okay? Iba rito may ma-approve loans. Yan na naman tayo. Oo. So, blockage, kailangan niyang alisin. Okay, I don't know if this is talking about heartaches, okay, talking about past trauma. So, yun yung kailangan niyong alisin. Yun yung nagpapabigat eh. Okay, yun yung mga nagpapabigat. So, you have to decide kung hahayaan mo ba yung sarili mo sa low energy or kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo doon sa high vibration, doon sa high energy. Okay, high energy. O, diba? Your love is lifting me. Yes. Parang gano'n yung narinig ko. I don't know, ano bang title ng kantang yun. Narinig ko lang ngayon. Maybe there's something doon sa kanta. Anyway. Okay. So, I'm seeing you healing in the near future. Okay? Forgetting kung ano man yung mga pain na nangyari sa past. And moving forward, I think. Yeah, that's okay naman. So, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you. Sa ngayon, all signs, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.